Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Well, for about 1/5 of West Michigan, the snow is coming down right now. You have to get north of Grand Rapids. It's just flurries right now, but we've got this band of snow that's going to pick up. It'll last an hour, perhaps a little bit longer than that, sweep through, and then we'll be pretty much done with this. An occasional flurry is still possible late tonight into early tomorrow morning, but the bulk of it is happening right now, and we can see it here on Storm Track Live. And by the way, temperatures just barely warm enough aloft, right off the surface of the earth, that we could see a few of these snowflakes melt, hit the ground, which is still sub-freezing in most places, and that could result in some patchy freezing drizzle. But we're not expecting much of anything to impact driving here, except for perhaps, some side streets, sidewalks over the next couple of hours. By the time you get up and head to work tomorrow morning, I anticipate fairly smooth driving. Not expecting widespread icy spots here. Let's track the back edge of this snow here. It's just about done in places like Ludington and Little Sauble Point, wrapping up right now here in Silver Lake. Back edge of the snow to the lakeshore here. That's about 12:30 for Grand Haven, Holland, Muskegon into Grand Rapids. We should see this wind down a little bit after 1 o'clock, perhaps almost 2. And then behind that, just a few flurries. So visibility is a good way for us to tell how heavy the snow is falling. And when you get below 2 miles, that's noteworthy. We've got 1¼ mile visibility with moderate snow right now in Fremont. The thing is, the moderate snow is going to be a very temporary condition. You've only got about 45 minutes of snow left before this pushes out here in Fremont. Here in Grand Rapids, you can see some of the snowflakes have hit the lens and melted on our Skycam. Highlights of the forecast that we're watching for you tonight: light accumulations of snow, mainly north of I-94. As you approach US 10, so this is up toward Big Rapids, Clare, Mount Pleasant, this area, we could see as much as an inch of snow. Most every other place between a dusting and a ½ an inch. This is not going to last long either, because we will see some sunshine tomorrow. A few patches of freezing drizzle can't be ruled out, and then the sun comes back here on Wednesday. Here's the snow. It's pushing through, and by 3 a.m. you can see that this is starting to already thin out. And by the time we drive to work tomorrow, we may even actually see the sun starting to emerge. Should be a pretty nice day for us coming up tomorrow. 30 right now in Grand Rapids. Factor in the breeze, feels like 21, so there's a little bit of a bite. No question about that. Here's the 8-day forecast. A few morning flurries, but those clear out. Sunshine comes back tomorrow, 34 the high, 29 on Thursday, and then upper 30s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Normally this time of year, we're shoveling.
Yep.
As Brian pointed out at 6, this time this year, we're probably going to be raking.
Got the leaves back up, and
yeah.
we're seeing the sunshine, so I'm going to take that.
I know. We like to see that.
Yeah.
We've already shoveled this year.
Right.
We should be done. Hey, by the way, today, 200 days until summer starts.
There you go. Mr. Good News, Kyle. Okay. Thanks, Kyle.